If you already have a marketing agency or you're looking for the best business to set up, then you're going to want to pay attention. Because in this video, I'm going to show you the absolute best services to offer to your clients that are going to help you make a whole lot more money. 8 times more profit to be exact. I'm also going to show you how you can get your clients better results than they ever thought were possible. This means happier clients, longer retention, and also more referrals. And I'll also show you how to combine these elements in a way that allows you to multiply your agency profits with basically no extra work on your part. So if you're serious about taking your agency to the next level or leaving that 9-to-5 job behind you and changing your financial situation forever, it's time to focus. Get rid of any of those distractions, grab a notepad, and let's dive right in. So to start, we need to understand the difference between low profit and high profit services. And notice the word profit here. It's super important, as the old cliche goes, time equals money. So we want to focus only on the most desirable and valuable service you can offer to your clients. This then eliminates the need for 20 different services, which confuses you and definitely confuses your potential clients. Something that is often overlooked, and in fact I've fallen into this trap many times, is actually why I stopped selling a service I offered, and that's we need to sell a service that delivers results clients care about. So sales, not likes. Let me say that again, but in a different way. We need to sell a client a result, not the features, not likes, not followers. We need to sell the result. Part of this process is making your clients care more about money and therefore making you more money. Money really does talk, and if you start making your clients more money, word will get around and you'll start getting more clients than you know what to do with. This is really going to allow you to stand out from every other marketing agency out there. So let's break down what goes into a high profit offer a little further. And it all comes down to the rule of one. You want to focus on solving one problem for one kind of client through one specific path. So if you solve one problem, for example, client acquisition, you do this for one kind of person. So for example, a dentist. And you do this with one specific path. So for example, that could be social media or SEO or paid ads. And this system should also get your clients results fast. We really want to try and prioritize services that deliver quick and measurable results with a short time frame to attract clients whilst also working on long-term strategies as well. Your service should be easier to deliver so you can avoid scope creep, which will help you maximize your profits. Following these principles will really allow you to differentiate yourself from the competition, actually become an expert in one field by honing your craft. When you do this, it's also easier to deliver and fulfill on, and actually more importantly, it's easier to scale, which in turn allows you to have a high profit margin, which leaves more money in your pocket. So niching down is crucial to effectively apply the rule of one, because having multiple niches or offering various services really dilutes your focus and actually hinders your growth. So you can actually simplify your service offerings by identifying the 20% of the actions that yield 80% of the results. So you may be thinking, Dave, this all sounds great, but what are these magical high profit services? Well, my friend, the wait is over. But first, let's look at some low profit offers. Low profit services for agency include web design, content marketing, social media management, and also video editing. Now, this may be a shock to you, especially when I say web agencies, because you might know some that charge super high prices, but we have to consider our time and the result we're getting for that client. You see, these services are really time consuming and don't always deliver direct, tangible results. High profit services for agencies include missed call text back, web chat widgets, Google business optimization, call to action forms, and online reputation management. Now again, you might be thinking, yeah, but Dave, these services are so simple. Surely the client can just do this themselves or actually already has this set up. Well, actually, you'll be surprised because small business owners are busy delivering a service or actually just managing their day-to-day business. Most owners don't have the time to learn and implement simple strategies that can have a huge impact on their business and revenue. And that's really where you come in. These services are relatively easy to deliver, software-based, and don't require a lot of skill or energy. You see, the key to having a successful marketing agency is having both an operator to do the work and a person responsible for sales and marketing to acquire new clients. And this is actually the hardest part. So if you get good at this, you will strike gold. Now, I always look for quick wins when taking on a client, and one strategy that is a goldmine is actually customer re-engagement. It's one of the most profitable agency services as it involves marketing to a business's existing customer list that has most likely been neglected. As a lot of businesses concentrate on acquiring new clients and actually don't look at their existing client base and look to cross-sell or upsell. Another overlooked simple strategy is actually online reputation management. As a business's reputation is huge, and if you can improve this by showcasing more positive reviews or happy customers, then it makes a business look better, but also increases its rankings in organic listings, which in turn will increase organic traffic. Now, I don't know about you, but when I think of a marketing agency, I always actually think of paid traffic or Facebook ads. And in fact, that was the first agency that I built as I thought it was the most profitable. Oh boy, how I was wrong. You see, paid ads aren't necessarily high or low profit. It really comes down to how easy it is to get a client result with paid ads and what they're willing to invest. Paid ads doesn't guarantee your clients leads and sales unless you're a paid ads wizard. So paid ads can come with a lot of work and stress. Trust me, I've been there. So for example, let's say a client has $5,000 budget a month to spend, and you spend $2,500 of that on the paid traffic. That actually leaves you with $2,500 profit. But what if you could get the same result better with just software? And that software only cost you, say, $500, and that would actually leave you with $4,500 profit and a whole lot less stress. A lot of people actually look at ads as a savior or a magic pill, when actually they could be getting better results by using software to generate more leads and sales for their business. Honestly, I don't usually recommend ads unless the business is making over $1 million a year. Now, there are exceptions. But when it comes to software, you can actually reduce your costs, you can automate tasks, you can save time and provide valuable insights and data. But you might be thinking, yeah, this all sounds great, but what software can I use? Or do I need multiple pieces of software? And is it easy to implement? Well, my friend, today is your lucky day, as next I'm going to dive into what I call our core services, and this is something we teach all of our clients in our Agency Accelerator program. And the best news, this can all be done with one piece of software. Now, that software is actually called High Level, and I'm going to dive into the core services that you can offer with this one powerful software. Now, if you want to check it out, I've dropped a link in the description below for an extended trial where you can get started with High Level. Alright, so the 4 essential services for a successful marketing agency are lead generation, lead conversion, client retention, and also reporting. Now, lead generation involves using various tools and strategies to attract potential customers, such as missed call text back, web chat widgets, call to action forms, and citations. Lead conversion actually focuses on turning leads into actual clients. So we need to be able to give our clients the ability to have actual conversations with leads, either on their phones or through SMS through software. This strategy is really all about speed to lead. Now, client retention involves providing ongoing value to clients through regular reporting, account management, and also optimization. And reporting involves providing clients with regular updates on the performance of their marketing campaigns, including key metrics and insights. All of these core services can actually be done through High Level and can have a huge impact on businesses and increase their revenue. And honestly, we're only really scratching the surface with the power of High Level. It has so much more to offer as well. Now, ultimately, having a great agency comes down to getting results. Clients only care about one thing, and that is results. And results actually equals money, aka revenue, profit, or cash. So you need to make sure in your agency you're providing a service that's actually going to make your clients more money. And the more clearly that you're able to connect the dots between your services and an increase to their revenue, the more you're going to be able to charge, the longer they're going to stay with you, and the more satisfied they're going to be with your agency. If you're curious about how we help current aspiring agency owners grow, get clients, and build 6- and 7-figure automated acquisition agencies of their own, you can learn more by clicking the link down in the description below this video. I've also linked up another video right here that will give you even more details on how to actually build a 6- and 7-figure agency in 2024. So feel free to check that one out too. If you're interested, I'll talk to you soon.